please subscribe and don't forget to press the bell icon to get notified whenever we upload a new video.
As we told you, TechM results is what we're going to analyze. Posted a strong quote, actually. Ravi Menon of Elara joins us on the phone line with his take. Ravi, good morning. Thanks much. It seems to be even a better performance than many of its peers. What is your key takeaway from the stock, and have you revised the price target?
Yeah, I was actually surprised, not by the revenue momentum, but from where it came from. It was primarily led by BPO, and they also had an IP acquisition that contributed some revenue. So the IT services itself did not really contribute much to growth. So we would wait to see if the BPO momentum persists, or if they can see a revival in their core business. And the verticals too. We are looking at communications continuing to have fairly sluggish growth. So we worry that they cannot sustain this revenue momentum or match peer group growth, and they are significantly below peer group margins even after the substantial margin recovery that they've shown. They've also restructured a large portion of their IT services workforce, from about 82,000 at the peak, and over 3 quarters that's now down to about 73,000. So this could put a structural pressure on the wage, going forward. So we have been negative on Tech Mahindra. We continue to be negative, but we've revised our price target upwards from 440 to 490, based on the significant cost restructuring that they've undertaken. That's delivering better margins than expected.
Okay, 490 is much below where the current market price is. So what kind of growth would you expect to see for Tech Mahindra compared to some of the other players? Because, the stock has outperformed its peers quite a bit. It's up almost 60% in the last 6 months. What would your pecking order be now that all the companies are out with numbers?
So our first preference is HCL Tech, where we think the IP acquisitions have been perceived as some akin to buying revenue, but we don't believe that's the case. We are looking at synergy from those IP acquisitions to start propelling their growth next year. And we also think TCS, with its large deal wins, has got very good visibility. They also have Japan as a geography they invested in that others have not got much exposure to. So we think these two have very good visibility for growth. We're also positive on Wipro, where we think a growth revival is on the cards. They've given a pretty strong guidance despite a client-specific issue from a pretty large client for the next quarter. So this is our pecking order within the large caps. Infosys, we will wait to see how they what the new strategy is for differentiation. The platform strategy under Vishal Sikka, we think that will probably be on the back burner now that the leadership team for the platforms division has also departed with Sikka. So Tech Mahindra is our least preferred among the large caps.
Oh, right. Thank you very much.